time to automate. Now you can optimize your end-of-line palletizing with robotics from FANUC without any upfront capital. Introducing RōBEX FLEXX, powered by SteamChain. RōBEX is dedicated to increasing the competitiveness of manufacturers by creating opportunities to help them maximize efficiency, reliability, quality, and profitability. Whether you are a small or a large manufacturer, we have a solution that will meet your specific needs. FANUC robots are safe, reliable, efficient, collaborative, scalable. Whether you are depalletizing product at the front of your line or palletizing downstream, FANUC offers a complete line of robots designed and built to deliver high duty and the world's fastest cycle times. FANUC robots have been tackling complex and standard operations for 40 years. Whether you are palletizing a full layer or individual boxes, bags, pails, or drums, these systems are fast, steady, and reliable. Our full line of palletizing robots gives you options in terms of size, payload, speeds for cycle time, and precision, and most importantly, care in handling your products. RōBEX FLEXX offers a unique alternative to traditional financing options. No upfront capital, service and maintenance included. Only pay for successful outcomes. 24/7 remote monitoring. No risk. Return anytime. Why wait? Call RōBEX today at 419-270-0770 or email automation@robex.us to learn more.